Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to disable Microsoft Edge app on starting your Windows. So let's get started. As we all know, whenever we start a PC or laptop, Microsoft Edge browser opens automatically. So I will show you how to disable it. Go to your settings, type settings, open settings, then go to app section. As you can see in the left panel, click on apps. Now look for startup. As you can see here, startup app. It will show all the apps that will start automatically when you start your PC or laptop. Now you can see the list of the apps which get started automatically. So look for Microsoft Edge app, as you can see here. Now you have to toggle it off by clicking on it. As you can see here, my Microsoft Edge app is now turned off. You can also uh, turn off the unnecessary apps like, for example, it's already turned off. You can turn off your PDF text service. I don't need it. And you can also turn off your all the automatic apps which is listed in this list. And and that's it, guys. I need Canva for that's why I have toggled it on. So, guys, if you have any query relating to any Windows or Microsoft problem, you can comment down. I will try my best to solve it out. And guys, don't forget to like my uh, video and subscribe my channel, and also turn off notification for further updates. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.